Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel and another day of Vlogmas, which is almost over. We have had a video every single day for the month of December, and December 24th will be the last video of Vlogmas. But for today, I have something kind of fun planned for you guys. Not really planned. Planned is the wrong word. I actually had no idea what I was going to film for today. I kind of got desperate and basically went to my husband and was like, I don't know what to do. I'm out of crafts. Basically a couple videos I had planned on doing got like combined together into one video, and I didn't really realize it at the time. So I told him, I was like, I need an idea. Help me come up with an idea. And he basically told me that he had planned to film something for my channel to post, and it didn't necessarily need to be for Vlogmas, but it could be. So he asked me if I wanted to open one of my presents early, and I said yes. And so basically I opened it up and it was 2 new chairs. So my craft room right now, how I sit in there is I have this like really old vanity stool from like 1950. It's like squeaks when I sit on it, and it's kind of uncomfortable, and it has no back support. And for those of you who have been watching my channel for a little while, you probably have heard me mention I do have really bad back problems. I have sciatica, I have scoliosis, you name it, I got it. But anyway, so he surprised me with 2 pretty nice computer chairs that I can use in there, one at my sewing table and then one at my craft table and or to film with, like to sit down and film videos with. So I was so excited about that. But then the best part about all of this is that he actually was reupholstering them for me. So he did do one, and it is this Mickey print red computer chair. I love it. It is so cute, so Disney. He said that he searched and searched for an actual Disney computer chair and couldn't find one, so then he came up with this idea of reupholstering one. I will be showing you guys how I reupholstered the second one. So that was kind of his early gift, I guess, was letting me do it so that I could have a video. He was planning on filming himself, but that wouldn't have been done until later on because I wouldn't have been able to open the gift until Christmas. So basically, because he let me open the gift early, now I have a video for you guys. Thanks, honey. But I will be showing you guys how I upholstered the second chair, and I'll show you both of them together because they're honestly super cute. So this is a very easy tutorial. It took me 5 minutes. 5 minutes to take a regular computer chair and make it a Disney computer chair, and then about 5 minutes to actually like assemble the chair. So it all in all, literally opening it fresh out of the box, 10 minutes, and it's now like you have a splash of Disney in your room, which I think is pretty great. So I'm gonna stop blabbering on, and without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial.
So the chair my husband got is actually gray, and I'm not going to be covering up the back, which is made of mesh, so I chose this really pretty Ravenclaw fabric. I know it's not Disney, guys, but I love Harry Potter, and I am a Ravenclaw. So I thought that this would go great with the gray, so I'm just laying this down flat with the right side laying down on the ground, and then I am putting the seat of the chair down on it. Now make sure that your fabric is going to be facing the right direction. For example, I wanted my wording to go across it, and make sure that I can read it when looking down at the chair. And I'm going to start off by folding over each side and just putting 1 staple in the center. So I folded the first side up, put 1 staple in the center. Now I'm doing the second side, and I will continue this. I am going to trim down my fabric because I did buy an entire yard, which is much more than I needed, but I do plan on using this fabric for some other projects. So I'm just trimming it down to be a little bit easier to work with. And then I'm just going to continue with this method of starting with the sides, putting 1 staple in, and then finishing off with the last side. Now for the corners, you're going to want to take your time with this. The best thing that you can do is to pull your fabric really tight and kind of pinch it. I do staple really close to where the fabric is gathering, and then I just kind of pull it tight into this gathered bunch, I guess is the best way I can explain it. I am going to show you guys a zoomed in shot just so you can really see what I'm talking about. But the best thing you can do is just keep checking the top side of the seat to make sure that your fabric is smooth, because you don't want any weird bumps on the chair to where you can't fix it once you've stapled it down. Now, of course, these staples could be removed and you could fix it, but I mean, why would you want to add more work for yourself? So once you have that corner pulled tight and folded correctly, then you're just going to go in with your staple gun. I think I did about 3 staples per corner just to make sure that the fabric was very secure. So here's a zoomed in shot of how I did this. Again, just staple really close to where that fabric is gathered. And then you're just going to kind of pinch it together and put a couple staples down in it to secure it. And then you'll finish off that last corner and then go in and trim off the extra fabric. And after all my corners were secured, I just went in and finished stapling all of the sides. I probably went a little bit crazy on the staples, but I just wanted to make sure that this fabric wasn't going to tear off. Once you have trimmed off all of your extra fabric, go in and just see if there's any spots that needed another staple put in. And that's it, guys. That's the whole chair. You're done. Well, assemble it. So I did the chair. Upholstery went great. I went to assemble the chair, and apparently Walmart didn't put in a very crucial piece of the chair. So the part that connects the seat, hang on honey, the part that connects the seat to the wheel bottom part is not in the box. So I'll show you what it looks like, but not a functioning chair yet. So it came out gorgeous. Fabric looks great. Good with the gray seat. Kinda missing this part in between. So yeah, and then here's the Mickey chair. Ignore the Christmas present trash. There's the Mickey chair. Let me give you guys an actual close-up that I took earlier.